Hello guys, welcome back again. So today we are back in the garage. So basically, as you can see, we've got the forks back. Thank you very much for the garbage to sort it out. BBLT Performance Parts did a great job on replacing the fork seals because the other ones were bad. I'll put a picture up here so you can see the difference. So yeah, now we've got two new ones and it's looking lovely. So yeah, now we're just gonna get on it to put them back in. So I might do a time lapse because it's just boring to watch this. So yeah, I'm just gonna slip them in there, tighten up the yolks, and that's it. Job done. So yeah. So the forks are on. Now I'm just gonna put the, what am I gonna put back? Yeah, I'll put the mudguard back on first, and then the rest, like the wheel and the brakes and everything. So let's get on it. Right, so now everything is back on. Forks, mudguard, wheel, brakes, everything is on. So now I'm just gonna bring the back down and then finish up with the more torque on these ones and the forks. There we go. The bike is on the ground. All good to go. Lovely. Tomorrow I'm going to go for a ride and probably wash this again. Yeah, that's it, guys. I'll catch you on the next one. I mean, probably tomorrow because now it's nighttime and it's raining. So, yeah. Take care. Yeah, this is the next day. So just came here to wash the bike, test rode it, to make sure the forks were all good and the brakes and everything else. Everything feels good. As you can see here, it's filthy again. It's dirty. And back here on the speaker, so dirty. So we're gonna make a look. So I'm gonna try and give it a quick wash and then make it slightly better. Right, here we go. The back is all clean. Yeah, we're ready to rock and roll. AKA go and get dirty again. Look at this weather. Not too bad, but yeah. But it's always good to get the grit or salt that they put on the road to get it off the bike, otherwise it will just rust up the whole thing. Yeah, the bike is all good now, all clean. Let's go. Yeah, I'm just gonna go for a ride and then catch you guys on the next.